Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the music on the Boom Beach application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you just go to the circle icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here click to the settings icon, the third option. In the settings section you can find the second option, the music, and if you click to the on button you can turn off, and if you click to the off you can turn on, so you can hear the music if you like it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.